Hello again, grade 1. Today we are continuing lesson 10.2, how to make a picture graph. And our friends in Joy class are gonna help us answering this picture graph. Which activity do the most children like best? So we want to ask this question to 10 of our friends in Joy class. And we will make a circle for each answer in front of the activity that they choose. If they choose reading, I'm gonna put the circle here. If they choose computer, I'm gonna put it here. And if they choose sports, I'm gonna write it here. And how many answering boxes do we have? Because we have 10 children, 10 students who will give me answers. So I'm gonna make 10 answering boxes in front of every row. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 answering boxes here. So, open your book, page 583, and let's work together. We asked 10 of our friends in Joy class, and these are the answers. Al-Harith said he likes reading. So, I'm gonna make one circle in front of reading for Al-Harith. This is a circle. Umar said he likes computer. So in front of computer, I'm gonna put another circle for computer. Muhammad said he likes sports. So one vote for sports. Khalid also said sports. Another one for sports. Al-Hassan said sports. So 3 circles for sports. Amir said computer. Now computer has how many? 2, excellent. And Kinan said computer also. So that means 3 for computer. Faris, and count with me here. Faris, Yunus, and Ilyas said reading. So how many votes for reading? Faris, Yunus, and Ilyas. That means 3. I'm gonna make 3 circles in front of reading. We finished making our picture graph. But now we want to answer some questions about it. We only finished putting all the information that we have, that we collected from Joy class. We put it inside this picture graph. Now we want to answer a few questions. Use the picture graph to answer these questions. Question number 4. How many children chose reading? So this is question number 4. How many children chose reading? So I'm going back here and I'm gonna count. How many chose reading? 1, 2, 3, 4. And before I go back, again, for computer, how many? 3. And for sports, also 3. So here I'm gonna make a small box and I'm gonna write all my answers in it so I don't have to come back again. Reading is 4, computer is 3, and sports is 3. Now how many children chose reading? 4. How many children chose computer and sports? And you remember when we have and, excellent, adding. So here we're going to add, but what 2 numbers we're going to add? Computer and sports. So 3 from computer, 3 from sports. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and you write your answer here. Very good. Now question number 6. Which activity did the most children choose? Circle it. They choose reading. Excellent, because 4 of them they choose reading. So circle reading. Did all your classmates make picture graph that looks the same? This question, we have to think about it. Because first of all, we are not inside the classroom. And not each of our friends made this page by themselves. But if they were going to make it by themselves, they will not do it the same. Because for example, Khalid is going to ask 10 of his friends. And he chose 10 friends. And Ziad is gonna make another picture graph and he asked another 10 friends. So the answers are not the same. They didn't ask all the same people. They ask different boys, different friends. That's why they have different answers. So if they have different answers, are they going to make the same picture graph like each other? Of course not. But because we make it together, me and you, that means we make the same picture graph. Because we asked only these 10 children, Harith, Hassan. All these friends, we asked them, and all of us, we take the same answers, 4, 3, 3, and now we have the same picture graph. If you're going to make it by yourself, you're not going to make it the same. You're going to ask, for example, your brother, your sister, or your mother, or your father. And these are different people than those who I asked. Maybe they will have different answers. So did all our classmates make picture graph that looks the same? I'm going to circle no. Because when they have different people to ask, they're not gonna have same answers. So no. Okay? They want me here to write my own about the graph. I'm gonna use reading and sports. And I'm gonna ask this question. You can make your own question, whatever question you want. But for me, I'm gonna make this one. How many more chose reading than sports? And I already underlined for you the keyword. How many more? Subtraction. So now we're gonna use subtraction to answer our question. Question 9 says, answer your own question. How many more chose reading than sports? Reading is 4, sports is 3, and how many more means subtraction. Let's subtract. How can we subtract? 3 minus 4? No, of course not. I cannot take out 4 out of 3 because 3 is a smaller number. But I always have to start with the big number. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Excellent job. That's it.